Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Do you own rental property or real estate and want it to reflect in your net worth? Well, here's how Empower helps you to track it. The first point is to add property value. Now, in the Empower dashboard, you're going to go to Add Accounts, and then under that, find Manual Accounts, and then just enter your property details like home value or purchase price. This ensures that it shows up as an asset in your net worth. Next point is to track rental income. Now link the bank account where rental income and expenses flow. Empower will automatically categorize transactions as income, mortgage payments, maintenance, and other costs. Next is to manage mortgages. Now if you have a mortgage, link it as a liability account. Empower will track the remaining balance and factor it against your property value. Next is to net worth impact. So this setup gives you a clear picture of equity growth, of cash flows, and of how rental property fits into your overall health. Adding real estate into Empower ensures that your full financial picture is accurate, not just stocks and savings. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.